Okay, how's it going out there, everybody? Rooster in Tennessee here, roostercb.com. Going to look at this Anytone Quad 6 AT-6666, if you will. One of my favorite menu-driven radios, probably my favorite menu-driven radio. This one and the President McKinley. I like them both quite well. This one being the better option if you choose to run an amplifier for high drive type amplifiers. We're going to kind of breeze through the features of it here. I'm not going to go crazy detail because if I did, this would be a 30-minute long video, and nobody wants to hear me talk for 30 minutes. I'm sure of that, but for anything that I don't cover, it does come with a manual, a very good detailed manual, and I highly recommend people to read the manual anyway. Even myself, I've been in radio for a good long while, and if I didn't read the manual on this thing, I'd be pretty lost. So with that being said, towards the end of the video, we'll do output test and everything. This one has been done up, ready to go. I also offer them stock on the website, so I think I have one stock one left and a couple that are ready to go right now. So that being said, RF gain and RF power over here, or should I say RF gain, RF power, clarifier, squelch, volume control here, channel selector here. So yes, it is a menu driven radio, but many of your main features are accessible right here on the front. 8 buttons here, 4 up top, 4 down low. The main ones that you'll probably use are the mode, which takes you from AM, FM, sideband, lower sideband, and PA, and then the menu button, which we'll get into here in a second. Now this is your channel selector. How you change channels, you can do it here, or you can do it with a microphone. Either way. If you want to change the increment that you're changing channels by, see, I done messed up. You click it. You don't do a long hold. If you do a long hold, it goes into a menu. We'll cover that in a second. But you can change the increments that you do it by right here. Let's say you want to go 10 channels at a time. You can. You can go entire bands. Myself, I'd leave it right there, one frequency at a time. You get locked in, just click the mic, and you're right back where you want to be. So that's pretty neat. Getting to the menus. You've got 2 menus basically on here. For one, you access it by holding this button down, and that takes you into this set of options, which again, guys, go through the manual to see what all of them do. Excuse me. Color, if you decide you want to change it, something in there, you just push it in to select it. Then you scroll through here to different options. When you're done, boom, back out to the menu. If you want to just exit the menu quick, you can just click menu, and there you go. The other menu that you get to, the secondary menu, you hold in the channel selector, and the same kind of thing. It takes you through all the options here. Echo, while we're passing that, you can just turn the echo on and off right here, okay? Let's see, get back to it there. And see, it just gives you the option on and off. The actual amount of echo has to be adjusted from the inside of the radio. It's got 2 little variables in it that are labeled. I think they're near the front of the radio if you decide to adjust them. What else do we have here? Roger beeps. It's got 5 different Roger beeps if that's your thing. We've just got them off for the sake of the video. But lots of options on this radio in the menu. Okay, I guess we'll get into output. We'll do it on AM and sideband and show you what this thing does. Obviously the 2 more popular modes of operation, AM and sideband mode, so we'll show what it does there and try to get this video wrapped up. Excuse me. I'm going to dismount the camera here, and first thing I'm going to do is turn the RF power wide open. So this is max output, max dead key, everything else, and we'll show you what kind of current that it draws on AM. Hello, audio. Hello. check. Audio. 7.5, 8 amps. Come back over here. And we're going to show you the watt meter. Average power, 100 watt slug, bottom scale. Radio, radio, radio. Audio, radio. Audio, radio. Radio. See that high pitch? We can manipulate it to show more average. But audio, audio, audio. About 40 watts average. From a 11 watt dead key. Radio check, radio check, radio check, radio check. Audio, radio. There you go. And that's with the RF power wide open. Peak power, bottom scale. Check, check, audio, 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 check, check, audio. This one's showing over 100 watts. We'll go to a 500 watt slug here in a minute just to verify that. They can do a little less. They can do, you know, more or less. It's give or take with these things, just like amplifiers. Some do more, some do less. They'll all be just a little bit different probably, but in the same ballpark. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to turn the RF power all the way down and show you the performance with the dead key all the way down. Now we're back on average power, bottom scale. That's about a 2 watt dead key. Audio, about 18 watts average. Average power dropped, okay? Since our dead key dropped, our average power dropped. However, PEP is going to stay about the same. Audio, radio, check, check. Audio, radio, check, check. Audio, radio, check, check. A stock unmodified one will not do that. When you lower the dead key, the PEP will come down with it generally. Okay, so now moving on to sideband. We'll just go ahead and turn this wide open for sideband. Because you have no carrier on sideband, it doesn't matter if it's wide open. Most people just run them wide open when on sideband. Let's see how much it draws. It's going to draw more current on sideband for sure. Hello, hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. I'm drawing 12 amps almost on sideband. We'll go to PEP. Show you what it does. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio, over 100 watts PEP. Audio, check, 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 audio, check, 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 audio, check, 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 audio. Radio, radio, check, check, audio. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, just double check our slug for output. I'm going to take the 100 out, put the 500 in. And we will check it on AM and sideband. Peak kit still turned on. Now we're looking at the middle scale. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio. That 100 is 100 watts. Audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. So just over 100 on upper sideband. Let's go to lower sideband. Audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. Same thing. Back to AM. Audio, check, check, 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 audio. Same thing. Just past 100 watts PEP. So guys, I guess that's it. We will conclude the video here. Anytone Quad 6. Again, this one has been done up. So if you see this one on the website and you want it to perform like this, the stock one will not perform like this. But again, I do offer stock radios for people that like to do their own thing. Not any kind of mystical, crazy secrets or anything. I mean, it's just a, you know, modded, tuned radio. That way you can maintain your swing when you lower your dead key. So that's it, guys. Anytone Quad 6. I appreciate the views. Hope everybody enjoys the video. Again, these will be on the website, roostercb.com. There's the box that they come in right there. And if you're looking for an amp to pair with one of these, I would recommend at minimum a 4-pill standard 2879 will be one that matches up well with these. But that's it, guys. The Anytone Quad 6. Everybody have a good evening. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.